is, John, that we have a client, Jacob, and I'll preserve his confidentiality by not using his last name, and you've worked with me on the 1810 issues. What are your thoughts about how 1810 is being implemented?
Well, it's so new that some courts are going to feel their way as they go through it, from what I've seen. But the statute lays out some fairly specific criteria that has to be met. It's a checklist, and going down that checklist like we've done in those two other cases, we've been successful in it. The most important part is, and one thing I wanted to ask about was, what is a qualified medical expert or doctor?
Well, I think that the law, really there's only one case that's been decided in California on with respect to Assembly Bill 1810. And I would imagine a qualified medical expert has to have either a license in psychology or psychiatry. However, that's an amorphous concept. A medical expert could be a social worker. I think it's unknown and uncharted right now, and that's what's important about having a law firm that knows how to submit paperwork and knows how to fight these cases in court.
In terms of the cases or the types of crimes it applies to, I imagine because of the cost of the putting on a motion like this, you wouldn't use it for misdemeanors, but only felonies.
Well, misdemeanors have their own special court process that is excluded from Assembly Bill 1810. That these are only for felony cases and for serious, well, not just serious, but most felony cases, excluding sex crimes and murder and attempted murder.
What could something like this run somebody or cost them to go through a process like this?
It's hard to say because every case is like a snowflake. They're all individual, but it's expensive. There's no doubt about that. The experts are expensive, the paperwork is expensive, going to court is expensive, but going to prison and possibly serving the rest of your life is a lot more costly.